The future of air power is here, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Fighter jets are evolving faster than ever. Think hypersonic speeds, AI-driven cockpits, and stealth technologies that make them invisible to radar. These next-gen machines are designed to dominate the skies and change the rules of warfare. But which fighter jets are leading the charge? Stay tuned as we break down the most exciting upcoming jets that will shape the future of aerial combat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in defense technology, the future of air power. Fighter jets have always been at the heart of aerial warfare, but the new generation of jets is setting a higher standard. These machines are not just designed for speed and agility, they're pushing the boundaries with stealth, artificial intelligence, and even hypersonic speeds. The future of air combat will rely on technology that's faster, smarter, and more lethal than ever before. Today, we'll explore the advancements in fighter jets that are shaping the future of air superiority. From the United States to Russia, countries are investing in cutting-edge technology to ensure they stay ahead in the race for dominance. Whether it's stealth capabilities, faster speeds, or better situational awareness, the next generation of fighter jets is poised to redefine how air forces operate. Stick with us as we break down the most advanced jets coming down the pipeline that will dominate the skies in the near future. This is one of the most thrilling areas of modern military innovation, and we're here to give you a front row seat. The next generation fighter jets will integrate technological innovations that radically change the way air forces conduct operations. The key to this new wave of aircraft is the fusion of multiple cutting-edge technologies such as advanced sensors, AI, and high-tech materials. These innovations will make fighter jets smarter and more capable. For instance, sensors that collect and process massive amounts of data will help pilots gain a comprehensive view of the battlefield, even beyond the visual range. This will allow for faster decision-making and the ability to engage threats from greater distances. Additionally, advanced artificial intelligence will assist in mission planning, combat strategies, and in-flight adjustments. The AI systems will analyze complex data in real time, providing pilots with the best possible outcomes. One of the most notable advancements is the use of AI to enhance the operational range and survivability of fighter jets. In addition to these technological improvements, the materials used in the construction of future fighter jets will make them lighter, stronger, and more durable, improving their speed and agility while reducing maintenance costs. Together, these advancements will make fighter jets not just faster or stronger, but smarter and more lethal than ever before. Stealth technology will remain one of the most critical elements in the future of fighter jets. As radar and missile technology evolve, staying undetected becomes even more crucial for air superiority. The next generation fighter jets will take stealth to a whole new level. While current stealth jets like the F-35 and the F-22 have already made significant strides in reducing radar visibility, future designs will use even more advanced materials and configurations that make them almost invisible to radar. These new materials include metamaterials that bend electromagnetic waves around the aircraft, making it undetectable by enemy radar systems. Additionally, new aircraft designs are incorporating more angular, faceted shapes and advanced coatings to further reduce their radar cross-section. These stealth advancements will be paired with enhanced electronic warfare capabilities, allowing fighter jets to jam enemy radar systems and communications, ensuring that they remain hidden even when conventional stealth methods fail. The future of stealth technology won't just be about avoiding detection, but will also include the ability to mask the jet's thermal signature, making it harder to track by infrared sensors. This next-generation stealth will enable fighter jets to carry out strike missions, gather intelligence, and perform reconnaissance without fear of detection or retaliation. The future of fighter jets isn't just about advanced avionics or stealth, it's also about speed. Hypersonic flight, defined as speeds greater than Mach 5, will be a game changer in aerial warfare. Hypersonic jets will have the ability to fly at speeds over 800 miles per hour, far outpacing current jets and missiles. This unprecedented speed will allow fighter jets to respond to threats faster than ever before. Hypersonic fighters will be able to outrun any adversarial missile, making them incredibly difficult to intercept. The US and Russia have already started testing hypersonic systems, and China is also advancing its hypersonic capabilities. These jets will not only be fast, but they will also be equipped with cutting-edge maneuverability. The extreme speed will make traditional missile defense systems obsolete, as intercepting hypersonic vehicles is still a major challenge. As nations push the boundaries of hypersonic technology, we'll see these jets play an important role in deep strike capabilities, allowing forces to attack enemy targets from a distance before they even know what hit them. These future hypersonic jets will have the ability to strike targets anywhere in the world in a matter of minutes, providing a new level of strategic flexibility. Artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of modern fighter jets, and in the future, AI will be a co-pilot that enhances every aspect of flight and combat. In future jets, AI will be responsible for everything from mission planning to real-time decision-making during flight. For example, AI systems will constantly monitor the environment, detect incoming threats, and suggest optimal evasive maneuvers or weapons deployment strategies. By analyzing data from radar, sensors, and satellite feeds, AI will assist pilots in choosing the best course of action based on mission parameters and real-time combat situations. In combat, AI will make split-second decisions that could save lives and ensure mission success. Furthermore, AI will help alleviate pilot stress by automating certain tasks, allowing pilots to focus on more critical aspects of combat. Some designs even envision fully autonomous fighter jets where AI takes over much of the decision-making process. While human pilots will still play a role, the AI support will greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of these next-gen aircraft. These AI-driven systems will allow fighter jets to stay ahead of rapidly evolving threats and perform missions with unprecedented precision. In the future of aerial warfare, fighter jets will not operate alone. Instead, they will work in concert with autonomous systems and drones to create a more integrated and effective force. The role of drones in combat is rapidly expanding, and these unmanned aircraft will work alongside manned fighter jets to perform a variety of roles. For instance, drones can conduct reconnaissance missions, gather intelligence, and even engage in air-to-ground strikes, all while the pilot focuses on more complex objectives. Some future fighter jets will even be able to control a swarm of autonomous drones, allowing them to cover larger areas and overwhelm enemy forces with coordinated precision. These unmanned systems can be equipped with advanced sensors, weapons, and communication systems, providing real-time data and targeting information to the manned fighter jets. This combination of human intelligence and autonomous systems will enhance the operational capabilities of fighter jets, providing air forces with greater flexibility and responsiveness in combat. Furthermore, drones will help reduce risks to human pilots, as they can be deployed in high-risk missions or environments where manned aircraft would be vulnerable, such as in anti-access area denial zones. The future of fighter jets will see a shift away from specialized aircraft toward more adaptable, multi-role platforms that can handle a wide range of missions. In the past, fighter jets were often designed for a specific role, whether it was air-to-air combat, ground strikes, or electronic warfare. However, The jets of tomorrow will be versatile enough to switch between multiple roles during a single mission. This flexibility will be crucial in modern warfare, where rapid shifts in tactics and enemy behavior are common. Multi-role fighters will have advanced sensors and weapon systems that can be adapted to various tasks, allowing pilots to conduct air superiority missions, precision strikes, or intelligence gathering, all in one platform. These adaptable designs will be particularly useful for air forces that need to quickly respond to evolving threats or complex mission requirements. Additionally, modular designs and advanced avionics will allow future fighter jets to be upgraded more easily, ensuring they remain effective in the face of changing technologies and battlefield conditions. The ability to switch between roles will make these next-gen fighter jets more efficient, cost-effective, and capable in a wider range of operations. The race to build the next-generation fighter jet is a global competition with countries around the world vying for air superiority. The United States is leading the charge with its F-35 and the development of the next generation F-22 replacements. Meanwhile, Russia's Su-57 is already in operation, and China's J-20 is steadily advancing, showcasing stealth firepower and maneuverability. These countries are not just developing new fighter jets for defense, they are using them as symbols of national power and technological prowess. Each nation has its own priorities when it comes to designing these jets, whether it's speed, stealth, or multi-role flexibility. However, all are focused on one thing: maintaining an edge in the skies. The competition is fierce and the stakes are high, with billions of dollars being spent on the research and development of these fighter jets. The results of this race will shape the future of global power dynamics. As these aircraft begin to enter service, the geopolitical balance will shift, and the implications for air combat will be felt for decades to come. As nations continue to develop advanced fighter jets, there is growing concern about the environmental impact of these high-performance aircraft. Military aviation is known for its significant carbon footprint, and with new jets entering service, this issue is expected to intensify. Future fighter jets will need to be more energy efficient and environmentally friendly to meet both defense and sustainability goals. One approach is using advanced materials such as lightweight composites that reduce fuel consumption and improve overall efficiency. Additionally, innovations in hybrid propulsion and alternative fuels could pave the way for more eco-friendly fighter jets. Some military organizations are even exploring the potential of electric or partially electric aircraft to reduce emissions. As the world moves toward a greener future, the development of next-gen fighter jets will need to balance technological superiority with environmental responsibility. Reducing the carbon footprint of military aviation will be crucial for global sustainability efforts while maintaining air superiority in future conflicts. These advances will ensure that the fighter jets of tomorrow are not only faster and more powerful, but also more responsible stewards of the planet's resources. As we look to the horizon, the future of aerial combat is both exciting and unpredictable. With fighter jets becoming faster, smarter, and more connected, the nature of warfare is changing. These advancements are not just about creating the most advanced machines. They're about giving countries the tools they need to defend their skies, respond to emerging threats, and ensure national security. The future of air power is coming fast, and the next generation of fighter jets will be the backbone of that power. These jets will bring with them unprecedented speed, maneuverability, and intelligence, transforming how air forces conduct operations and engage enemies. The way these jets operate, work with drones, and use AI will fundamentally alter the strategies of air combat. While challenges such as environmental impact and costs remain, The technological leaps being made in the aviation industry will shape the battlefield for decades to come. The next-gen fighter jets are poised to redefine air power, ushering in an era of high-speed, high-tech, and highly efficient combat in the skies. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the future of fighter jets as we are, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage on the cutting-edge tech that's shaping the future of defense.